A secret society was born, the Katipunan. More than a movement of arms, it was a brotherhood shaped by ideals, bound by honor, and guided by principles. At its heart was the Kartilya ng Katipunan, written by Emilio Jacinto, 1896. Emilio Jacinto, only 21 years old, crafted the Kartilya to serve as a compass for every Katipunero. These teachings transformed ordinary men and women into true sons and daughters of the nation.
Ayoko na mag-aral. Gusto ko, ganito na ako. Tambay palagi.
Ako, kahit mahirap, mag-aaral at maglilingkod ako sa bayan.
A life without purpose is like a tree without shade. Choose a meaningful path.
Wala naman siyang laptop. Hindi, patay-patay tayo dito. May maiaambag siya.
Dark or fair, rich or poor, all people are equal. The noble spirit puts honor above selfish desire.
Oo, para tutulungan kita sa project bukas. Wala na ako. Bye.
Saan na ba si Angel? Bakit ang tagal na? Anong oras na? Nakita mo ba si Angel?
Hindi, sir. Huwag kang mag-alala kahit hindi ako nangako. Tutulungan kita.
For a person with dignity, a word is a pledge.
Ako magre-review na. Exam na bukas.
Wealth may return, but time never does.
Uy, tama na yan. Hindi mo siya dapat inaapi.
Defend the oppressed, fight the oppressor.
Yun ang nasabi.
Huwag kang basta-basta maniniwala. Hindi lahat pwede ikalat.
A wise person is careful with words.
Uy, ganda mo. Date tayo.
Sige, Gwen. Pwede lang sa babae. Tatuwang ka lang hindi ba?
A woman is a companion, not a plaything.
Ayaw kong gawin sa kapatid ko, kaya hindi ko gagawin sa iyo.
Do not do unto others what you do not want done unto you.
Hindi sila nagsasabi.
A truly noble person has good conduct, honor, and love for country.
Ayos lang na, itatapusin ko muna paghuhugas ko para makatulog ka na.
In life's journey, it is our duty to guide and help our family.
Wala akong papel.
To do good for personal gain and not for its own sake is not a virtue. And with that, we have presented the 14 rules of the Kartilya ng Katipunan.